Hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how you can fix too many redirects in Webflow. So seeing the too many redirects in Webflow is pretty common, and this is what it typically means. It means that your browser is stuck in a loop. It's been told to go from one page to another, then back again, over and over again. As a result, it will give you show the similar messages to this. Error too many. The redirect Webflow redirects you too many times. CloudFront Webflow too many automatic redirection were attempted. So now what are the causes of this issue? Well, a redirect loop occurs when your browser keeps bouncing between conflicting URLs with no resolution. For example, from www.yoursite.com to yoursite.com and back again. The most common cause a conflict between your www and non-www domains. If both are configured incorrectly, they can endlessly redirect to each other. So the main solution is to fix your DNS connection. So basically all you have to do is to set your www as your default domain. The first and most effective way is to fix the issue by making the www version is set as the default. Here is how. Go to your site settings, then click on Publishing tab. Scroll to this custom domain section and then make your default your button next to www.yoursite.com domain, not the root domain that you have, then republish your site. Now, once you do that, you will simply fix the issue. The second thing that you can do is to clean your browser cache. You can do that simply by going to your browser and open the website and go here, go to cookies, click right here and delete those two things. Or you might have even more, depending on your extensions. Or you can go to your history, go here, and click on delete browsing data. And this should delete all your data related to your browser. And simply right after that, try to connect again, and that should also solve the issue. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.